Alright, here we are at the bandsaw with my jig. I'm going to measure from the blade to my stop, and then I'm going to tighten it. Tighten it in place. Okay. Now as I take my boards and run them through here, each one will be cut. I have it set at 900 thousandths. And as I go through here, each piece will be cut exactly 900 thousandths. The purpose of these two blocks back here is basically for my protection. When I'm in here working this, it keeps my finger away from that blade. Okay, even though it's high. I'm only working my fingers in this area right here. And also when I take a piece out, if I happen to swing it a little bit, it'll hit against the stop and won't be hitting the blade. Something I learned early on when I first made this jig. I had a few accidents where I actually hit the blade, so I put these here for my protection. Okay. From here on in, there won't be any talking because it's kind of noisy. I'll try to talk, and I don't know how much you'll be able to hear, but we're going to have the two things running. One's the vacuum and the other one's going to be the bandsaw. They're both kind of loud. Okay. Shove the board against the stop. Hold it down, and then we go cut. We come back. Take the piece out. Stop, hold down, cut. Much safer to do it this way as opposed to using the table saw. I had trouble on the table saw with it grabbing a piece and flinging it. Then I'd have to go hunt for it. I'll cut more pieces. See, I'm getting down to a small piece. I'm gripping it just on the edge, holds it in place. And that's all the scrap that I have right there. That's all my